అందుకే ఉండండి పోయేసా లోకేష్ లోకేష్ సార్ నాడు
When we first came to school, we were small and a little scared. Some of us cried and missed our parents. But the teachers held our hands, wiped our tears, and made us smile. We learned many things in school. ABC, 1, 2, 3, stories, sharing, caring, and good manners. Our teachers taught us not only lessons from the book, but also how to be kind, helpful, and respectful. Dear teachers, thank you for your love, patience, and guidance. You are like second parents. Dear mommy, daddy, and grandparents, thank you for your support, encouragement, and love every day. Finally, we will always remember our schools, classrooms, friends, and our loving teachers. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Nice promotion. Okay, you got a promotion for first standard, being a good student. Thank you.
ఇది నీకు కావాలనుకుంటారా ఫ్యాంటాస్టిక్ అని నీ స్పీచ్ కూడా అట్లా ఫ్యాంటాస్టిక్ రియల్లీ వండర్ఫుల్ వేదాంత్